just give me a sign. What should the sign be? You know, we can do. I don't know what to do. I don't know about the week. Just go like this. Something like that. If you're weak, then I'm going to get all distracted. Right, yeah, that's it. That's fine. All right, thank you. Thank you. All right, everybody, let's get started. And I feed off energy, so indulge me. Welcome to Westhill High School's open house. Thank you. I'm Rinaldi, the very proud principal of Westhill High School, now in my 9th year already as principal of Westhill, and I love it as much as I did the first year, and now I'm in my 39th year. I know, I said 39th year in the school district, not 39 years old, 39 years in the school district, and love it as much as I did all the way back, whatever that year was. So, a couple of reminders before I just share some personal information with you, messaging with you. I want to introduce our team, and I'm just going to ask them to stand up, please. Let's energy. If you don't need it, stand up. Yes, clap for them, because raise your hand when your name is called. Mr. Peter Rinaldi, 9th grade administrator, Miss Obas, 10th grade administrator, Miss Ayala, 12th grade administrator, Miss Fabre, 9th through 12th, and a lot of stuff next to her name. She's up there. Dr. Nicole Morse, I don't know if she's in here right now. Ms. Tanya Smalls is not here tonight, and Athletic Director Dick Cerone right there. One more round of applause. And the fact you may be seeing out there. And Raina Simmons right there. All right, everybody, thank you. What is a fact, not just words, is I not only would find it a little bit more challenging to enjoy this world that we live here at Westhill, I would not be able to do it at all without my team. So I'm very grateful for my team. Important dates. Parent-teacher conferences, October 15th, 16th, and 17th. Very important. And it's important to remind you now about parent-teacher conferences in February on the 18th, 19th, and 20th, because that will be, the February conferences will be your opportunity to meet your child's second semester teachers, okay? Because the new schedule does not allow us to be able to do that this evening, so the 18th, 19th, and 20th of February is the time to do that, okay? Next slide. All right, so I'm going to go there and try to keep it under control. So, that's a picture of my son Nico, and that was for my Instagram post after, and I don't typically post our personal lives on Instagram, but I thought, because I just use Instagram for school purposes, but I posted this picture because I put me in a whole different kind of place. We dropped Nico off at Elon University, North Carolina. Feels like 10 years ago. It's only a few weeks ago. We're going down to see him next week. Can't wait. And it was everything everybody said it was going to be. All kinds of emotion, joy, sadness, nerves, all of that. And when we had our grade level meetings with students, I'm going to share with you now what I shared with our students, okay? So I'm just going to kind of morph in my mind. You're going to be 9th, 10th, 11th, or 12th graders now, okay? All right, so listen, guys. This is a picture of Nico. Many of you remember him. And he's in North Carolina. And my wife and I have all these emotions about dropping him off at school. But here's the deal. Nico did it right. Nico worked hard. And he got into the university of his choice. He's following his dream. Now you might say, nah, Nico's dad is the principal, and Nico's mom is a kindergarten teacher. All true. Nico had all that extra support. We know some stuff about school. Nico's mom and dad. Right? And we valued education and made sure he did as well. And he had all that support. But he did the work. He did the work. Right? Next slide. Well, that's Nico's dad. That's me. That's my 9th grade picture at Westhill High School. But yeah, 1978. And that's about as happy as I got. And I had a mom and dad who loved me very much, but they did not go to college, and they did whatever they could to support me, but I had a particular mindset which wasn't great. I wasn't a misbehaving type of kid, but I didn't believe in myself. I wasn't someone who had a growth mindset, and I struggled academically quite a bit. Longer story for another time. I don't have to look at my watch, right, sir? You got it. All right. When I was 11th grade here at Westhill, I started volunteering with special ed students. Long story short, I then decided I wanted to be a special education teacher. And that changed everything. But I made it too. And if you told him that he'd be a teacher, let alone the principal of the very high school he was miserable much of the time in, he would have never believed it. So, whether you're, go back to the last slide, please, Aparo. Whether you're Nico and you kind of basically had it going on from the start and you had parents who really knew how to help you to succeed in school, or whether you are this guy, Westhill High School is your opportunity to get after your goals and your dreams so that you too can look back for me now, many, many years, and feel it's a real pride. Because that's what it's about. Now, go back to Nico's slide. Here's the other thing, and now I'm going to talk to parents again. Now you're just parents. For those 39 years I've been in the district, I have loved it every day, even with the challenges, right? And I cared so much about trying to help kids understand that they can accomplish their goals and they can realize their dreams and they have everything that they need to be able to do that if they simply believe themselves and apply themselves. But now, I've got a deeper commitment, a deeper feeling about the whole thing, because now, how many of you have already sent students off to college? I'm a member of your club now. It's wild. And it's real talk. I don't know how to be any other way. The commitment that I've always felt that I've had, and it matters because I'm the principal. I'm sorry, it matters. I'm leading the school with these wonderful people over here. 2 minutes, you're my guy. You can wait if you want. It's deeper now because I see what I see what it is when you get over the finish line. So I've always been real when I talk to students, but now it's even more real. I'm not having it. So in closing, before you have to move off quickly to your first class, I want you to know, on behalf of our administrative team and our entire school community, that's what this place is about. Helping your children get to where they need to go, which is somewhere real special after they graduate. Now, here's the thing. Miss Obas either came over here because I forgot something, or she's just trying to mess me up as I'm closing. I was about to drop the mic and get, what? Oh, okay, great. So can I have your phone? Oh, sorry, guys. Gym classes. If you're going to see PE today, you have to go you have to go into the freshman building. The freshman office is where that's happening. And that was it. And then what else? And please make sure, if you haven't already, stop off at the Power School table in the You know what you're proving to everybody? That I was absolutely telling the truth, that I couldn't do any of this without you guys. Make sure you stop off at the power school table in the main lobby for, what if they already know how to do power school? Make sure your email is correct. Okay. All right, that's enough. I don't want to bother them anymore. All right, guys, that's all I've got. Welcome to Westhill High School. Have a great night. Thank you, everybody.